In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your serpentine belt tensioner pulley, which is this one right here underneath the power steering. Now if you look down here by the power steering pump, follow the belt, that's the tensioner pulley right there. Use a 14 millimeter on either a ratchet, or I'm using this long reach serpentine belt tool, which fits a 14 millimeter 3/8 socket. Take the belt off, release tension. Take your tool out of here, and we'll take the belt off. Of course, pay attention to how it's routed. I will show you a diagram after, so you know how to do it, but it's always a good idea to either take some pictures or draw a diagram, or just take a mental note of how to do it. And you can just go ahead and remove the belt. Now you can sneak your ratchet in here and just break this bolt free. Turn this counterclockwise. There it is. Save all the washers and the bolt and all of that, but the pulley is trash. There it is. Take the new pulley. Doesn't matter which way you position it, it's the same on both sides. I had this copper washer in here. I'm going to put it back because, well, it's there for a reason. Make sure you don't lose it. And now let's thread the bolt back in. Now it's time to put on the serpentine belt. I'll show you a diagram on the screen of how it goes. I'm going to start at the crankshaft, put it around the harmonic balancer. From there I'm going to bring it up over the alternator. From the alternator it has to loop down underneath the AC compressor. Put it on the power steering pulley while I'm at it. It's on, and now right here it needs to go underneath the tensioner. So what I'm going to do is take it off of the power steering, put it on the tensioner, put it only partially on the power steering. I'm going to hold it here, take tension off the tensioner, and slip the belt on. Release tension. That'll create slack on the belt. Slip it on, let go. And now what I'm going to do is take my wrench, put it as far down as I can on this bolt, lift it up, and try to tighten it all the way. This is the tensioner is bottomed out here, so anything past this, it's just going to tighten the bolt. Mine's already fully tightened. Yours might still go a little bit, but that's how you fully tighten it. Just make sure it's nice and snug. Now you want to check and make sure the belt is sitting in all the grooves. Obviously this is a flat pulley, so it doesn't matter, but all the other ones you want to make sure that all of the grooves line up, which they do, so that's perfect.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.